Hi guys, so today is our lesson number 3 and the topic for today is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Before starting further, I want to ask from you guys, can you solve this 3x plus 5x minus 9y? Most students get this wrong. Now let's fix it in just 1 minute. So let's start. As we have studied before, in algebra we don't just add numbers, we also add like terms. Okay, what it means, let's look forward. What like terms is? Like terms are that has same variable and same power. For example, 3x and 5x, these are same with the same variable, so they will be called as like terms. For example, 3x square, 5x square, the power should also be same and the variable should also be same. Over here the power is 1, so this will be called as like terms. So now let's start with first example number 1. We want to add 3x plus 5x. We simply add the numbers. Just add 3 with 5. The answer is 8. X will be copied as it is. So your answer is 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. Don't add x. Most of the students do this, that when they are adding, they write 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x square, which is wrong. X will be copied as it is and only you need to add the numbers. Okay. In subtraction the concept is same, only instead of plus minus will come. So in just the variable will be copied as it is and just you will subtract the coefficients, the numbers. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the work will be done on coefficients only, not on the variables. So now, can you solve this? Let's see. Over here we have two like terms. Over here it has a plus sign. It's 3 plus 3x plus 5x. In our video we have already studied same sign means you need to add, and same sign will come, similar sign will come. So over here both have, this is also have plus, this is also have plus, so it's plus 3 plus 5 is plus 8x. So we write only 8x, we don't usually write plus sign with the first number, and minus 9y will be copied as it is. Now you can see these are two different variables, they cannot be added, so this will be called as a answer. You cannot add two different variables, you will just directly say that this is the answer. Okay, now let's try this. You need to try this, and you need to tell me your answer, share your answers in the comment box. If you have any problem you can also share that, I can reply over there. So if you got it right, you're officially an algebra ninja. Don't forget to follow for video 4. Thank you so much. That was all for today from my side. Thank you.